Hey, this is Frank with Believe Investment Group. Just want to give you guys a quick shout out to let you guys know that our next Believe Investment Group bus tour is right around the corner. So it's happening this Saturday, September the 14th, 2024. And we're going to be going around properties that are in different stages of construction in Kentucky and Indiana. We've got about 4 or 5 stops that we're going to be going to. We've got this big tour bus that we just rented, and the cool thing about this bus tour is it's going to be a little bit different than some of the ones we've had in the past. We're going to be going to a bunch of totally different properties. So one property we're going to go to is a fix and flip that's under construction. Another property we're going to go to is a short-term rental that is actively on the market that people rent out on a weekly basis. We're also going to go to a property that we wholesale to someone, one of our actually past students, and they are under construction right now doing the deal. And then also we're going to go to another property that we actually wholesaled to a friend of ours, and they're under construction right now with it as well. So the great thing about this bus tour that's coming up on Saturday, September the 14th with us is that, number one, you get to hang out with like-minded people. There's going to be all kinds of great people on the bus, great networking event. We're going to be out in the field riding around on a beautiful sunny day, and we're going to see different stages of rehabs on different types of properties with wholesale, short-term rental, fix and flip. So if you've ever thought about investing in real estate, or if you have ever wanted to be a part of something great and be out in the field with a bunch of like-minded people that are there to build you up and motivate you and get you to a spot in your life where financial freedom is going to be a lot easier to obtain, then I suggest you reach out to us, get your ticket. We only have about, I think, 7 or 8 tickets left. So the great thing about this is it's going to be a great networking environment. It's going to be a great learn on the spot throughout the city, and also we're going to include lunch. And you never know, it could be Ruth Chris, it could be Jeff Ruby's, who knows what it's going to be. But thanks for watching this short video. So this is Frank Miller with Believe Investment Group. I hope to see you guys on Saturday, September the 14th. If you haven't already bought your ticket, buy your ticket. Tickets are only $89. $89, you get a free lunch. You get to be out in the field with all of us investors. And the great thing about this is it's going to be an amazing time. So we'll see you guys. If you haven't bought a ticket, click the link below. See you Saturday.